An Ohio family is fighting back against what they call a wrongful and unconstitutional taking of their home by the city of Pigeon Forge. Doug and Micah Race were in court recently, asking a judge to overturn an agreed order they say was signed without their knowledge or consent by a former attorney, an order that handed their property over to the city. The Races say they were misled and never approved the deal. In fact, they didn't even know it existed until weeks after it was filed. By then, their home on Ogle Drive had already been bulldozed. And that demolition didn't just happen prematurely, it happened before the city transferred title and before any formal payment was made. Despite their house being gone, Doug and Micah continued making mortgage payments just to avoid damage to their credit. Their new attorney argues the process was fundamentally broken and possibly unconstitutional. The Races believe the taking wasn't for legitimate public use, but rather to benefit a neighboring campground. Records show that Mayor David Ware has personally been listed on the LLC connected to that campground, adding to the family's concerns about conflicts of interest. Judge Jeremy Ball has not yet ruled, but observers say the courtroom atmosphere appeared favorable to the Races. The judge requested additional filings, and the next hearing is set for June. While that battle continues, a separate controversy is unfolding at City Hall. Longtime city manager Earlene Teester is retiring, and Mayor David Ware is one of 5 internal applicants seeking to replace her. Because Ware is a candidate, he's been removed from the hiring process. But his close friend and travel companion, Vice Mayor Kevin McClure, is now leading the search. McClure has acknowledged long-standing personal relationships with nearly every applicant under review. The city chose to post the job internally only for just 1 week. No external candidates were considered. According to the city attorney, commissioners were individually consulted and all agreed to keep the process in-house. A state advisory agency is helping oversee the transition, but the public will not be allowed to ask questions at the upcoming candidate forum, only observe. To many residents, this all feels too familiar, insiders making decisions with limited transparency, while families like the Races are left out, displaced, and unheard. In the shadow of a federal malpractice lawsuit, a home demolished without process, and a leadership change managed by close personal allies, one question continues to grow louder in Pigeon Forge. Is this about public service or protecting political power?